Guys, it's me again, and today I am doing a review on handcuffs. So the handcuffs I'm going to show you today is the hinged and the chained. I got the hinged from Amazon, but it was not that expensive, £23 to £30. Yeah, it's £30. And it's just like that. And when you use them, when you do the double lock mechanism, it sometimes gets stuck and you just can't open it and you have to force it off your hand. So that's the problem with these. And this is much smaller in the picture. This is way smaller. And the chain is very, very good. And the keys are right here. The handcuff keys. There's one big one and one kind of normal one. This is the big one. The big one does not work on this, as you can see. Because do you see the difference between the locks? Right there. That is much wider-ish. It looks like a 6-ish, but not really going that round. Yeah, so these are very good, and when you're putting them on someone, is guaranteed to go every time. Oh, it's guaranteed to go every time through the hole, and for these, it's guaranteed to go through the hole every time. But I have tried this. Let's just open it up. You can't really. I have to force it for it to go way over. This is not really going that much over. And these absolutely do not go over. These are very strong cuffs. I would say probably the hinged are more stronger, but as well the chain, because it's made out of metal, so it's very hard for it to break. So yeah. So yeah, these are the handcuffs, and these are way smaller, obviously. The hinged and the chain. Yeah. So yeah, and the double lock mechanism on these. They both have it on the side. There, the little dot. So for these, do you see that little dot there? You push the dot through and it will double lock. So yeah, these are very good cuffs. So yeah, that's why it has the little kind of pin at the end to push it through the double lock. That is right there on both of them. Thank you guys for watching, and also if you have not, please leave a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. And I will do a belt review with these handcuffs and a case, because I just bought a case, so I'm waiting for that to come, and walkie-talkie, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!